Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back. I am here today working in my craft room, still working on my fall journal, trying to get all the ephemera ready to put in it so the journal can be nice and ready to go and chunky and pretty and everything like that. So welcome. Glad you stopped by. To my new subscribers, welcome. Glad you like my content. To my subscribers who's been with me for a long time, thank you so much. And if you're just dropping by, welcome. Press that subscribe button. Love to have you here. So today, I'm excited because I've been playing with all the fall colors and stuff like that. Mostly oranges and browns. So I went to my stash and I picked out this die, the Kscraft Pocket Folio. Now the Pocket Folio, it can make a whole bunch of things. You can make cards, you can make folios, you can make flips, you can make flaps, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. Comes with all this stuff. Look at all that. So it has the base, the layers, the pockets, the decorations, some tags, some tabs. It has everything in it. So I played around and made a few of them. And this is the one I made. So I made this one. And she opens up. She has a writing space in there. Flip it over. Some pockets. Flip it over. That's a tuck spot. I just don't have a tag with me. And I didn't decorate the back side because remember, they're going to stick down in the journal. Then there's this one, a little bit chunkier. Some tags and everything. This one flips open. This is a tuck spot back there. This is some decor, and that's a pocket. So that's a pocket. I should have found the tag somewhere. This one, writing spot with a flip with my little duckies. Some more tags. Tags. Oh, there was tags. I could have tested with that. I'm going to put a writing spot here, and there's some tags, and this tag can be written on it as a backside. And this one, this one, he's been searching out the harvest. He's like me. He loves his winter plaids. Plaids on. Tag. It's a tag pocket. Decor. Mini flips. Spot. Tag spot. So this die is really easy to put together. So I'm going to try to do one on camera. When I try, it comes with, this is the base, and it comes with these flaps on the ends, and you just connect the flaps. So usually, when I'm trying to do one on camera, I never get it right. I don't know why, but I just don't get it right. It always eludes me why I can't get this thing right. So I'm going to try it. Because I can't, the problem is, I can't bend my head down, because if I bend my head down, my head's on camera. So I got to keep my head straight up, and then try to glue something down without my usual bend over and look to see if it looks right. So if it gets kind of odd, not my fault, not my fault. Well, it's my fault, but you'll get to see mess ups on film. So then you just put this together. Stick it on there. Let me try to get it on here just right. Stick it on. I think I'm putting it on. Yeah, I'm putting it on the wrong way. See, that's the thing. See, I'm sticking it on the wrong way. See, now that I made an error, I tell you, trying to do things on camera, I don't think I'm a good, I'm gonna have to do something about that. I don't think I'm a good tutorial person. You know, some people, you watch their videos, they go, well, today we're measuring 5 by 7 by 2, and we're gonna glue this here. And then they stick it down, and it's perfectly stuck down. All they have to do is they do one little swipe, and they go, there you are. It's all stuck together, and see, now I gotta let this dry. So while I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the decorations for it, because I gotta let it dry. So it comes with all of these mats that you put down and everything. So you mat it all down with all the stuff they give you. And that's the fun part. The decorating part is the fun part. Being able to find all the stuff you want to decorate with. And I like that part. I like that part. And I like fall. Fall's my favorite because it's just right. You wear a little sweater, cute little jacket, and you're all set. You're out, you're going places. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. You could just do the right thing outside. And, you know, you could be outside. You know, it's not too cold because this summer, this summer was hot. Hot. So you didn't get a chance to do all the stuff you wanted to do because it was hot. So, you know, and I had stacked up a whole bunch of books that I was going to sit outside and enjoy myself in the pleasantness of the summer and just read. I mean, I read the books. I read some of the books, but I didn't have that pleasant outdoor on the deck reading thing, you know. I didn't get to do as much walking as I wanted to do because, you know, I wanted to be outside walking. You know, I wanted to just walk. And I felt that if I walked more, I probably would be much thinner, you know. I'd be thin. But because it was so hot, I had to stay in the house. I couldn't be outside walking, becoming thin. That wasn't going to happen. So that didn't happen. So, you know, I got to adjust my routine because I didn't become thinner. I didn't. Now, don't. I know, but I didn't become thinner. I mean, I must admit, I didn't become fatter, but I didn't become thinner. My plans for thinhood. Is it called thinhood or thinness? Thinness. My plan for thinness didn't work because the walking was supposed to be the part of the thinness. And, you know, I know someone said to me, well, Jay, you could have walked in the evening. No, I didn't want to walk in the evening. I want to walk in the daytime so I could be thin, you know, get my thinness on. So that didn't work. Thinness didn't work and stuff because the summer was hot. But the fall, my fall. Ooh, fall's going to be just right. So by the time you see me on a video after the fall is over, it's almost over, isn't it? September, October. Okay, September, October, okay. By the time you see me on the video again, that's only if it's only if this works out now. It's only if this works out. By the time you see me on the video for this video thing, by the time you see me on the video for the thinness, wait a minute. By the time you see me on the video to be thin, it's going to be different because you're going to be like, oh, wow, look at Jay's little arms. Oh, my goodness. Her arms are bony. They're going to be bony little arms. So, you know, you'll see that it's bony. You know, oh, my goodness, Jay done got bony. She must have had a chance to walk. That's what you can all say. Now, my arms don't look bony. Just don't say nothing. Just let me just go, just, make me feel good and go, woo, Jay's arms look bony. But if they don't look bony, don't say nothing. Let's just keep it a secret. Let's not talk about bony arms if I don't look bony, if they don't look bony, if they just look, I don't know if I like that one there. Take this out. I don't know if I like that there. I'm gonna have to put something else there. So if they don't come out nice and bony or thin. I think it's thin, not bony, Jay. Thin. So if they don't look really thin and stuff like that, let's keep it to ourselves. Don't mention it. I'm not gonna mention it. I'm not gonna mention it if they don't look bony. I'm gonna act like I got on 4 sweaters or something like that. I'm gonna go get 4 sweaters. But the fall is it's so beautiful. It's so nice. Fall foods are nice. That's when I get back into my soup. Oh, I love a good soup. I love soups. Get back into soup eating. You know, I eat soup all the time, though. I'll eat soup in the summer. Nobody can tell me not to eat a soup in the summer. I'll eat a soup in the summer, but fall. And then, I don't know if you're one of those people or not, but I'm a pumpkin spicer. I had a nice cup of pumpkin spice today. I sat down. I picked up my book. Oh, look at that. I picked up my book. I proceeded to read while drinking a cup of pumpkin spice, while having a cup of pumpkin spice coffee. It was delicious. It was delicious. And I'm going to be honest with you, which may contribute to the fact that why I won't have bony arms, is that I had a pumpkin spice cookie along with that, pumpkin spice thing. I had a cookie. It was pumpkin spice. It wasn't like really pumpkin spice. It ended up tasting like gingerbread. It was more gingerbready, like a gingerbread cookie, than it was pumpkin spice. But the box said it was going to be pumpkin spice. Okay. So I got it all decorated. I like it. I'm going to have to put some more. Oh, I have to cut that. Got to cut that off. I'm hoping it's dry enough for me to be able to fold it. Sometimes you're not quite able to fold it because it's not dry enough, Let's see if I can get it folded. Okay, fold. This one's going to get me. Because I think I may have. Nope, it did it. There you go. There you go. There it goes. Now I just got to have a nice string, and I'll tie it down. But I got to, let it settle a bit because I'm just folding it. So I'm going to let it settle a little bit so I can do that and do that. That needs a little. So I got all four of them made. So there they are. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are my 4. You know what? This one's going to need a time. It has to be trained to do the right thing. So since it's got to be trained to do the right thing, I'm going to just put a little clip on it like that so it won't stick up. So till it trains itself, till the paper gets trained to lay down the right way. Because I did that one section with the glue. So these are the Kscraft Pocket Folio. So these are the folios. So I have the 4 folios. Just in case you didn't see them, I have the 4. That didn't stick down. I have the 4 jumbo paper clips. So this is all the ephemera that I made so far for my fall journal. Let me know what you think. I'll hook the video for making the jumbo paper clips to this video so you can see how those are made. And I'll see you all in my next video. I have one more section of ephemera that I want to make for the journal, and then I'll start making the journal, because I haven't made the journal yet. I just haven't made it yet. I'm still thinking about its size, how big it has to be. I'm thinking it has to be big to fit these guys in. And what I want to put it in, and it's, it's uses, it's a writing journal. It's a writing journal because I want to be writing more. Someone suggested that, I should get into my short story writing. I mean, I got a lot of short stories in my head, you know, stories about what happened to these little duckies and stuff like that, and how they got to be these duckies with clothes. You know, duckies with clothes, you don't see that everywhere. You know, this is an odd place. You got to go to a certain place to find the duckies with the clothes. But anyway, forget that. I shall see you all in the next video. Please remember, self-care is not selfish. Take care of yourselves out there. And I will see you. Don't forget, press that subscribe button. Comment on what you think about the folio at Kscraft. If I look it up, I'll see if this Kscraft die is still available, and if you, I'll try to hook that in there too. But let me say bye. Talk to you soon.